The money is outside, girl. That saturation is in your head. That saturation is in your mind. This is the second month of the year. Don't do. The world is a global market, so you need to take advantage of that. Hey ladies, my name is Dara and welcome to Girly Finance, where we talk about self-development, financial literacy, and money. This is 2025, and most of us said we're going to get that financial literacy this year, and time is already ticking. Now look around you, we're already in the second month of the year. How? And you haven't started that business. We as ladies, we as women have a lot of things we do with money, where we spend our money. Our maintenance needs money. To buy that luxurious hair, you need money. To buy that gadget, you need money. Even to take that vacation, you need money, right? And we want this money for ourselves. We want to make this money by ourselves. We won't want to depend on anyone, on any man to get that check for us. No, we need to become the boss lady. Yeah, there are different business ideas that are all over the place. That is everywhere. Different persons are doing it, and probably you have that business idea, but you don't want to start it. Why actually? Your excuse might be this person is doing it, your neighbor is doing it, your friends are doing it, the market is saturated. But no, my dear, it's your mind that is saturated. The market is free. It's an open space for literally anybody at all to get into this space, anybody at all to come into this space to advertise their product. And definitely you're going to see your audience, definitely you're going to see your customers. Believe you me, anything at all you want to sell, the universe is going to get the audience for you. So far as you're putting in that work, you're putting in the strategies you need to show up for, and definitely customers are going to find your way. And to be honest, any business idea you're thinking about right now, anything you eventually want to start up with, someone is actually doing this business. Someone is actually making a lot of money out of anything, any business, every business idea. And nothing actually is new. But what makes your brand stand out, or what makes your business stand out, is the work you're willing to show up, is the way you package this your product, the way you package your business and advertise it and bring it in front of the eyes of people. And yes, you're going to make millions. You're going to turn that idea into a money making machine for you. It doesn't even matter if the business you want to do, your friend is doing it, your next door neighbor is doing it. Just start it, girl. Just start it. You are the whole package, right? You are the whole package. So sell this out yourself. Look for plans, strategize these business ideas, look for vision, be on a mission to make this idea a money making machine for you, because we need it. You need it. Now, first and foremost, the first thing you need to do is have that idea in your head. Have this idea that this is what you want to do, this is what you have passion for. And another thing is, not because maybe your next door neighbor is doing it, your friend is doing it, that is why you yourself you want to do it. No, like I said, every market is saturated, every business idea is being done by somebody else, but you need to have that passion to really want to do that idea you want to do. So it won't be as if you're forced to advertise yourself. It won't be as if you're forced to, package or bring out or execute that plan, especially if your business is an online store. So when you've gotten this idea that you really want to do this, you have this passion that you really want to do this, okay, write that down. There is power in always writing something down. Like you've written this plan, like they say, whatever you write down is a working plan. All right, so you have to write it down and then look for ways you can bring this idea to life. Look for means you can bring this idea to life. If it means doing a lot of researches, there are different videos on YouTube here that can help you gain more insights, gain more knowledge on whatever business idea you want to execute, how to gain your audience, how to repackage yourself, how to package your product, how to strategize, how to brand your product to be appealing in the eyes of audience. So that is where you have to put in the work, girl, because this is what you want. Now, by the time you've gotten this idea and done your researches on how you can, bring this idea to life, now it's time to tell persons about your business. It's time to tell different persons about your business. Start from where you are. You can advertise, tell your friends around, advertise online, because definitely you might want to start an online store. Advertise online, put on a flyer, put on a banner, tell persons to advertise for you. Take it to their DM. And that is the biggest advertisement, when persons push out your product in front of other persons, because my friend might know somebody this my other friend does not know, and by the time I put it on my status, that other friends that they have is definitely going to see it, and they might want to buy, or they might have somebody that has been talking about, oh, I really want to buy this, and definitely they're going to refer you. Now that is a big step that you have taken, and before you know it, you're going to start receiving DMs based on what you are selling, orders based on what you are selling. Different people will just start reaching out to you, and sometimes you just start asking yourself, how did you do this? But actually it was you that advertised. So even if you don't want to go through this stress of telling others or telling people what you're selling physically, you can also opt for advertisements online. Now technology has made it easier, and we have Instagram advertisements, WhatsApp advertisement too, Facebook advertisement, TikTok advertisement. Yeah, I think that TikTok advertisement came out recently. And you can also reach out to influencers, maybe Instagram influencers, yes, to help you advertise these products to their community, because they already have built up a stable community for themselves, and definitely one or two persons are going to come out from this advertisement that you have put up, right? So sometimes some persons might say, before you start any business or before you start any idea, make sure you have your products ready, make sure you have the products people are wanting to buy ready. But if it's an online store, you can even start from drop shipping, you can even start from pre-order. And once, see, all what this business thing is all about, advertisement, this business thing is all about packaging. If persons know about you, once they reach out to you, then you can now pre-order. But for and foremost, you can tell them this is a pre-order something, or this is a drop shipping something, so that your buyers or your customers will not expect that whenever they order, they're going to get it maybe in 2 days time or something. But it depends on the location of wherever you're going to get this from. Probably you're in Abia State and your supplier is in somewhere like Lagos. So this might take, let's say, maybe 48 to 72 hours. And besides, you've made an order, you've made a sale when the product is not with you. Just put yourself out there. Definitely, audience are going to come, customers are going to come. You need to make that cash. Stop doing it. Stop saying different persons are doing this business, the market is saturated. If you come up, who is going to buy from you? No, stop that. That saturation is in your head, that saturation is in your mind, and you need to get it out from your head into the open. The money is outside, girl. The money is the people are making the money. So you as a woman, you as a lady need to make that money yourself. Like I said, this is the second month of the year. Don't do. My girls, the world is a global market, so you need to take advantage of that. This is what this video is all about, how to turn that your business idea into a money making machine for you. There are just 5 basic things that I said in this video that if you implement, believe me, you're going to come back under this video and comment that it actually works for you. You actually turned that your idea turned into a money making machine for you. The first thing I said is, think of the idea, let it be something you really want to do out of passion, not forcefully. Make your researches on YouTube. You can use the different apps too that offer courses online, like Allison, Udemy, yeah, things like that. Make researches. Even YouTube have free videos for you that you can leverage on. Research on how to brand your product, research on how to advertise yourself, research on how to strategize your plans, the plans to put to make your business gain more awareness. Then the next thing to do after this research is advertise yourself. Tell persons, pay for ads, pay for adverts, reach out to influencers, leverage on your social media platforms, because that is where your money is, girl. Then from advertisements, you will see that you start getting orders from different persons, from different places. But then when you're starting, don't just expect that probably in a day you might be getting 10 orders, or in a week you can be getting 10 orders. In a week you can even get one order. That is business. That is how business works sometimes. But this is your days of your beginning, and definitely you're growing. What matters is that people are knowing that this is what you do, people are knowing that you sell this stuff, and they're coming to you, okay? And from one person buying, if your product is authentic, if your product is original, definitely they'll tell other persons about you, and you're going to get referrals, and you're going to get orders. So the higher you go, as the days go by, you're going to get more orders. Then after this is delivery to the customers. At the end of it all, everybody's happy. Customers have gotten their product, you've gotten your money. you've gotten your money. So whatever you have in your head, that idea you have in your head, put it to work, let it out, let the world know about it, let the universe, let people around know that this is what you do. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button and like this video. Drop your comments in the comment section on what you think about this video and what you think about turning your business idea into a money making machine for you in 2025.